Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of this tutorial Pixellab Masterclass. In today's episode, I want to speak to you on this tool. It is called the Layer tool. I hope you are getting this. You can see it's empty currently. You can see the layer here by your left hand side is empty. So quickly, let's add an object. Imagine you want to merge an object or two objects together. You want to merge objects together. Let's assume you have this object, okay? Then you want to merge this object with another. Let's assume you want to use a sticker now. You want to unite them to become one. In computer, that is grouping. You want to group them. But using Pixellab, you can't group and then you move them at once. You have to merge them. That's what it means. You have to merge these two objects together. And how can you do that? You quickly tap on your layer 2 or layer icon. You can see it here. You will see all the objects that are on your canvas. All the objects on this canvas are being displayed here. You can see this padlock icon is to lock. When you lock it, you can't move it. You can't move that particular object. Then when you use this eye icon, it will disappear from the canvas, but it is still existing. That clear? If it is text, you can edit the text or move or copy or do whatever rotate. You can do that from here, and you can delete also from here. So let me return this. Now I want us to merge. Then you tap on this icon at the bottom left hand corner. You can see it here. When you tap, you see the delete icon. You see these two. You have not selected any icon yet. You see this one now. You have not selected any icon yet. So you tap on this. You can see this. You now tap on the objects you want to merge together. So you tap 1, 2. Then you tap on this. 1, 2. Then what can you do with this? Tap on your layer icon. Then tap on this icon at the bottom left hand corner. Then merge or select the icon you want to merge together into one. Then tap on this. After delete icon, you have the next icon, not this one, not this one. Is that correct? This one, the third one. You can see confirmation. Are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Okay, it. You can now see it has become one. I hope this is clear to you. So this is how you can merge objects together into one. So I can now work on these two objects at the same time. Let's say I want to scale this. So these two objects have become one. Okay. Already I've taught you how to remove background. So imagine I want to erase the color, the white color. Let me erase the white color. So by erasing this white color, you see what is happening. See what I'm left with, right? So let me stroke this again. Let's say I stroke it again. So you could see what is happening, right? I was able to erase the white color. Let's change this to this. Hope you see what is happening. You can still see the shadow of that love icon, right? It is still reflecting. It has not disappeared perfectly. Can you see what's happening? So that is there for that. The tutorial has been dropped. Watch that video. So this is how you can merge icon using this layer tool. I hope you are getting this. You can lock icons. You can make them to disappear from the canvas, but they are still existing. You can edit, you can delete, and do whatever I want to do from here. Thank you.